Welcome to the temperature installment in our capability video series, answering the question, why and how do I calibrate temperature on my testing instrument? Calibration of temperature measuring systems is often not done frequently enough or with appropriate procedures and proper methodologies. This could lead to inaccurate test results. To address this problem, Instron has developed a number of temperature calibration procedures that meet the most common requirements of laboratories and related manufacturing processes. These procedures are fully compliant with ISO and IEC 17025, and when performed, provide assurance that your test data is valid and your processes are properly controlled. You should consider calibrating your temperature if any of the following applies to you. If you need to know the accuracy of the temperature, if you need to know how the temperature may vary over time, if you need to know how uniform the temperature is within the temperature chamber. Instron can perform two types of temperature calibration services in the field. The first one is referred to as in situ and is performed by placing calibrated thermocouples in the chamber being verified and comparing their reading to the system's reading. The second calibration service is referred to as sensor substitution and consists of injecting calibrated signals into the instrument being verified. This simulates a correctly performing thermocouple, millivolt or RTD, and provides a reference for the sensor being verified. You can calibrate a wide range of Instron and non-Instron temperature devices with Instron professional services, including environmental chambers and furnaces, temperature profiles to characterize gradients, including oven and chamber uniformity surveys, heat treating and finishing devices, temperature data conditioning units, and more. Instron have over 250 factory-trained field service engineers globally, and all calibration services that we deliver are accredited by NVLab, an ILAC MRA signatory, under lab code 200301-0. After the calibration has been completed, you will receive a Calibration Certificate, which includes all of the critical evidence that your system is performing at your defined levels. This provides confidence the associated results are being calculated accurately, and security that you can pass the scrutinizing eye of any auditor. For more information on temperature calibration services and other services we offer, visit www.instron.com.